Hey guys, I'm editing a bunch of videos, so you're gonna see me like this in several of them. Say hi.
Hi.
So this next video are pretty much some DIYs, quick and easy DIYs that you can do at home. Holidays are coming up. One of my favorite holidays, which is, no, not Christmas. Well, I love Christmas. Halloween. So my favorite holiday, one of them, is Halloween. So I decided to do a few reversible decors that you can use either for Thanksgiving or Halloween in your home. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did that, please keep watching. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
So I got this pumpkin from the Dollar Tree and I decided to paint the back of it with my chalk paint, and I also picked up these wood letters that were pre-spelled out trick or treat from the Target dollar spot. They're super cute letters. They even had hocus pocus, but I couldn't find those when I went back. They have glitter on them. They're super cute, and it comes with a little pumpkin, and they're easy to work with. I did mess up on my placement of the lettering, but they were so simple to remove and place back on, and they have not fallen off at all. So, but if you want to go ahead and use some kind of glue, you are more than welcome to do so, just to make sure that everything is in place and will stay on. So after I was done with placing everything, I felt like it was still kind of plain. So I decided to add the little pumpkin, and also I wanted to give it like a distressed kind of look and decorate it with some paint. So I basically just took some of my craft paint that I already had in black and white and mixed it to make it like into a gray color, and took a brush that I actually cut up for my job, but I never used it, so I just used that one, and it was like rough kind of texture. So all I did was paint along the edges and kind of made it look distressed with the paint. I got a little heavy-handed on it, but you don't have to do this part if you don't want to, and keep it white. So that's pretty much it for that one, really quick and easy. So this one I picked up from the Target dollar spot again. I just got the garland and also put some lettering and spelled out our name, but I wanted to make it reversible, so I decided to paint the pumpkins with this orange craft paint that I got last year, and I didn't paint it all the way. I kind of wanted to make it again look kind of rustic and I guess farmhouse like, so I barely painted each pumpkin with the orange. Then I went ahead and I got my Rust-Oleum chalk paint that I've used for many of my projects, and decided to use that same brush, cut brush, and just painted a few spots throughout the pumpkins to give that more rustic feel again. And then also I was going to add letters, but I did not have enough of my black sticker letters that I got from the dollar store, and I also didn't have enough of the gold ones, so I decided to go ahead and use a stencil instead, which I really suck at stenciling, to be honest. Thumbs up if you kind of suck with stenciling. I then went a step further and decided to use my glitter that I had And I just went over all the painted lettering that I did. Here you can actually see me stippling the paint onto the pumpkins. I'm not using any tape to hold it down, but you can. And I just lift up the stencil, and I also use my small paintbrush just to make the lines more defined, and then I went over with the glitter. After it was done drying, I took off all the glitter and I also added some black on the edges. I forgot to film it. I felt that it gave it a more defined look. And this next project is a little bit harder. It has to use a sewing machine, but you can use hot glue instead. There's actually another YouTuber. I'll link her video below. She shows you how to use glue instead of a sewing machine. But basically, I am sewing these two towels that I found at Target Dollar Spot again, and I am pinning them together inside out to get them prepped for sewing. And I'm sewing the 3 edges that you see here that are getting pinned. After everything's in place, I'm going to sew along the white edging. I don't know if you could see it, but I used a chalk to draw the line. I'm just going to sew along that line with a straight stitch, and then I'll go back with a zigzag stitch as well to make sure everything is in place. For the corners, I go back and forth so that nothing will come out of place as well. Right here I am just flipping it inside out and taking some old pillows and cutting them to get the cotton out and placing the cotton inside the pillow. And then I will be pinning the edge that is left open for sewing. You just sew your edge and you are done. That's it for today's DIYs, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this or other DIYs that are going to come up, hit that bell notification so that way you will be notified when my videos are posted. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.